Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita. Welcome back to our series where we are sharing easy Christmas craft ideas. We've been sharing one every Wednesday of November, and this is the last of that series, but I do have some other fun Christmas crafts that are coming soon, and we'll also be sharing them on YouTube. So keep an eye out for those, which will be coming out, some new things we've been working on. So we're not quite done with Christmas yet. But today we're doing these DIY yarn tassel Christmas trees, and you're gonna love it. All right, so I'm working on a super easy DIY today. I am using this sign, which you can see my kids have destroyed, with some marker. I could probably get it off if I tried, but I'm going to paint over it and use it for something else. I didn't really have a good spot for this in my home anyway, but you could use any sort of frame or thrifted sign that you find to do this. So what I'm doing is I made these little tassels out of green yarn, and I'll show you how to make these in a minute here. You can see here, this one's a little more put together. So super tiny little tassels, and I'm going to put them on this frame after I paint it to make a little Christmas tree. So I am just using some white acrylic paint. This is called Snow White, and I'm going to put it on with a foam paintbrush. And I will probably put it on kind of rough so it kind of matches this like rustic look of the frame. If you don't have acrylic craft paint laying around, you could also probably just use latex like wall paint. If you have some white like samples or leftover stuff. For something this small, the paint type doesn't technically matter. So again, I used a foam brush and just put on a layer of white paint on the sign. Remember, you can use any type of wood sign for this project. So check your local thrift store if you don't have something on hand like I did. And you could also use like a fabric background like burlap, or you could just paint a frame in a different color. There are so many options for this project. Next, let's make those mini yarn tassels. So you want to start by measuring the yarn to your desired length. To make it really easy and efficient, I decided to use about a 2 to 3 inch piece of cardboard you can see there. And I wrapped the yarn around about 5 times on the cardboard. And then by doing this, you ensure that all your yarn pieces are cut the exact same length. So that's a quick and easy way to do this efficiently. And then once your yarn is wrapped around the cardboard, you cut one end, and then you're left with about 5 pieces of 2 to 3 inch yarn. And then you gather all those pieces up and you tie them together in the center with another piece of yarn. And then fold that in half and put another piece of yarn at the top, creating a little knot. And then you want to go ahead and trim off any excess from the bottom so that all the tassel frays are a nice even length. And then you can just repeat this process for as many tassels as you need. For my project, I had 4 on the bottom, 3 on the next level, then 2, then 1 to make the triangle tree shape. So altogether, I needed 10 total. All right, so now that you have all of your mini little tassels made, we can get them attached to the sign. And to do that, I used DAP Rapid Fuse all-purpose adhesive. And this, as you know, if you've been following along with me for a while, you know this is like my favorite glue of all time. It's great for crafting, fixing things around the house, you name it. I've got a whole nother video all about how much I love this glue, but all you do to use it, you put a little dot on the back of the tassel and then you hold it into place where you want it for about 30 seconds. And you can see there, I put them in a little triangle shape. I think it looks so cute. I love how it turned out. I'm so glad I was able to reuse that sign that was kind of ruined and was headed for the trash anyway. And I was able to reuse it and make some fun Christmas decor. I think it looks so cute styled on our living room shelves along with some of our other Christmas decorations. And I just love how it turned out. It's so easy to make. Here's how it looked once we had our living room renovated, which was these were from last year. The other videos were from the previous year. So you can see we've used this sign for several years now. Every year when I grab it out of our Christmas decorations, when I'm unpacking everything, I remember how much I love it. And it was so easy to make. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're enjoying all these Christmas crafts that we've been throwing your way. Hope you guys have fun crafting this year. Be sure to Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss any ideas that are coming your way. And then watch this video next. I think you'll love it. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you next week.